The heart of the European economy beats right here, in Germany. But today, we're moving past the classic tales of German discipline. We're diving into the 7 massive corporations that shape the continent's destiny and dominate global markets. I'm Noxal, and today we're taking a closer look at the titans holding up the backbone of Europe. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 1. Volkswagen Group. At the top of our list is a pure production machine, the Volkswagen Group. We're not just talking about one brand. This is an empire that includes icons like Porsche, Audi, and Lamborghini. As for their balance sheet, brace yourselves. They closed 2025 with an incredible revenue of approximately 322 billion euros. This isn't just a car company. It is the very definition of German industrial might. Number 2. Allianz. When it comes to global financial security, Allianz is the name. Often called Europe's financial vault, Allianz generated 187 billion euros in revenue in 2025, with a net profit exceeding 11 billion euros. Managing trillions of euros in assets, this giant remains Germany's strongest fortress during global economic crises. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz Group. Next up, we have the gold standard of prestige, Mercedes-Benz. By focusing on a high-end luxury strategy rather than just sales volume, the company maintains a massive annual volume of $150 billion. For them, it's not just about selling cars, it's about marketing German engineering to the world at its most premium level. Number 4. BMW Group. Right on their heels comes their arch-rival. BMW Group is in a neck-and-neck race with Mercedes, bringing in approximately $151 billion in revenue for 2025. Their record-breaking sales in electric models are cementing BMW's position and profitability on this list. Clearly, competition is in the German DNA. Number 5. Deutsche Telekom. Now, let's shift our focus to the digital world. There's a reason you see that magenta logo everywhere. Deutsche Telekom has transformed into a global powerhouse, largely thanks to its T-Mobile operations in the US. With an annual revenue of 119 billion euros, they serve as the digital backbone of Europe, and their expectations for 2026 are even higher. Number 6. DHL Group. Let's look at the lifelines of global trade. DHL, formerly known as Deutsche Post. In an era dominated by e-commerce, they are the masters of the logistics world, with an annual business volume of $97 billion. With over 500,000 employees, they act as Germany's largest global ambassador in motion. Number 7. Siemens. And finally, the most versatile name on our list, Siemens. From factory automation to smart cities, from healthcare to energy, they are everywhere. Don't let the 78 billion euro annual revenue fool you. Siemens is the hidden brain building the infrastructure of the modern world. Without them, the factories of the other 6 giants on this list couldn't even operate. These are the massive structures keeping Germany, the locomotive of Europe, on track. These balance sheets, reaching into the trillions, are more than just numbers. They represent a force that directs the global economy. So, which of these 7 giants is your favorite? Or is there another company you think absolutely belonged on this list? Let me know in the comments. I'm Noxal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.